guys doing today?
What are you releasing there?
That's putting water into the boiler.
Oh, the water into it.
Yep. We got our sight glasses up there. We're getting ready to put it away for the night. So that one's full up. When we get up between the white and the red up there, that's it.
So you're cooling it off right now?
No, just building water. It's staying up at 300 psi.
So you'll hang that. It runs at that all the time? Saturday?
Yeah, when we got it steamed up, it used to be at 300 pounds.
Is this vacuum braked or air braked?
Air brakes.
Air braked?
Yep.
Which way is the builder plate?
Is what?
The builder's plate, is it on this side or on the other?
It's behind those big smoke shields up there. You can't see it.
Okay.
About the only thing that you can see is down on the engine, on the pony truck. You can see American Locomotive in the casting.
Oh, okay. Right by the sander, that side?
The pony truck wheel. The frame that holds those two wheels, the axles together.